welcome to my channel. So today's problem we are looking into is reversing character in a character array. So let's before writing any code, let's understand the problem here. So I just open my notepad. So what we are doing here, so suppose I have a character array. Okay, so what it will be like, it will have some of the characters, suppose A, B, then C, and then D, right? So these are the characters. So what output I am expecting from the program is like, it should be D and then comma C, uh, B and A. So this is the output I am going to get. So there are multiple ways to solve this problem. So you can pause the video here for 5 to 10 minutes and you can see my solution. So you can pause from now. Okay, so how it will do? So in this problem, we can solve, either we can just reverse this array, right? Reverse this character array, we will definitely get it. Or so one way we can do is like, we can have, we can use two pointer technique. Okay, so what we are going to do here, if you see like if you see the sorry here, right, how it will work. I have character A here and character D here. If I just swipe them, it will be how it will become. If I just swipe them, it will become like D, right? In the first, it will be like D, then B, then C, and then A. So it will be DBAC, right? In the first, if I swipe them, it will DBC. So what? And next, how can I reverse it? See, these two are reversed, right? These two are reversed in their position, and then I come here B and C. I can just reverse it. I can put like D and then C and then B and then A, that is already swept. So how it will do? So we are just, how we solve now, right now we just come here, index here, and we just it is the last index, and we just swap them, right? This is a zeroth index, this is the last index, we just swap them. So what we will got, we got DBC here. And how now, what I will do, I will just come here in the one index, right here in the one index, and just I will just swap them and I got the answer, right? So what can I do here, like, so we can now start a program, we can make a program here, and then we can see how it works. Okay, so I just say static void, I will have reverse, I will just give the name reverse characters. Okay, so reverse characters I just give. So what input I'm expecting here, I'm expecting like some kind of character array. Okay, some kind of character array I'm expecting. So we saw, right, so how can we solve them? You saw, right, we have just, so zero index, and last time we will just have a two kind of pointer. I will just put left as a zero and right as a whatever the length of this index minus one, and then swipe the character of, how will, so I will just swap it, so we can just see it here. So I will just add left, which is zero starting index, right? And how the right will work, input dot length minus one. So this is the right I will we have. So and here I'm using the while loop. So up to miss, how will know say how long this loop should go. So it should go left minus right, right? This should go left minus right. I mean left is less than right, because in the starting to left and right. So whenever the left index is greater than right, we should come out of this loop. So we'll do just, I will have one temporary variable where I will just put the temporary variable, that left value I will just put a temporary variable, and then input dot left I will put the input dot right, right, and then input dot right I will just put the temp. Okay, just I will do this. Okay, and yeah, after when we swipe, then I just need to left, because left will be zero, right? I just need to one index go further, and from the right I need to minus this index. Okay, and then yeah, then I can go with this. I will just use for each loop here, and then I will go because I just operated in my input, right? So I will have character, so just I will put ch in as an input, and then I will just print it, right? So let's see here, like I will put as an input here, I will have just new character array here where I can have a, b, and suppose c here. So this, so what output I'm expecting? I'm expecting cba. So let's just call it reverse character, and as an input I will just pass it. Okay, I will just run the program. I will cba. So this will be the output, right? We know the cba. So let's test with the only two inputs how it will behave. A, b. It should be print b and a. Yeah, I should print the b and a. And suppose I will put it one test. I will test with the only one input. It is a. What will happen if my input, instead of input, user is typing null, right? Let's run it. So what we got the exception object reference not set an instance of object, right? Because what happens here is like we are not handling null here. So I will just have it like, if I will one check, I will have, if input equal to null, I will just return. What it will do, it just come out of this function itself. So this method will terminate. So let's see what is the output. So it should empty. Yeah, so it should put the empty here, right? So other checks also we can check, only it's a character or not, like that we can check it, or some garbage value. So those checks you can add in your program. So this is how we implement the reverse character in character array. Okay, so we just swipe the array, right? We just swipe it here, and just we increase the left and right pointer, because we need to make it. If I just open, right, I will just if I open the notepad, you can see, right, we just swipe this, like if this a and d, right, b, a and d, and b and c. So these we will swipe it, and up to how long we show it when left is less than right. So this is how we will print the reverse character. So yeah, so if you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe, and for more question we will come with the next video. Thank you for watching.